Musicians, would you like your chords to sound way better? Then meet Infinitone DMT, a DAW plugin that empowers you with freedom of pitch in your music. First, let's listen to a chord progression using standard 12-tone tuning. Now, with the click of a button inside Infinitone DMT, let's tighten up the tuning of these chords to make them sound sweeter and more resonant. Now, let's listen to these chords in the context of some music. I asked vocalist Radhika Bide from Ratnagiri, Maharashtra in India to sing an excerpt from a well-known song in Hindi. These same chords that we created in Infinitone DMT were used to accompany her vocals.
हाँ कोमल बड़ी है सासन की डोरी रूठे से भी टूटे जाए बावन तरह से जी को मनाया खोजे आज हूँ तोरी राहें.
Making standard chords sound better is just one of Infinitone DMT's many superpowers. If you'd like to experience for yourself what it's like to have freedom of pitch in your music, then go to our website and download our 14-day free trial now and dive right in. Best of all, no music theory is necessary to get started.